Many new gardeners go a bit weak at the knees when confronting the pruning of roses. Well, I'm going to show you a simple method that'll make you look like an instant expert. Firstly, line up the tools you'll need. A pair of hedge shears, maybe a short-handled lopper, a pruning saw for older bushes, secateurs, and some gloves to protect your hands. If you've got a lot of bushes, you might opt for a chainsaw or a mechanical hedge trimmer. So the rule is a half by a pencil. Step one is to pick the midway between the top of the bush and the ground, and then cut straight through all of those stems. So you can see straight away I'm not making 45-degree cuts to outward facing butts. It's certainly not necessary with roses. Might be useful for things like hydrangeas. Now the next step is to remove half of the remaining canes and take them right back down to the ground. Now the essence of the job here is to get rid of the old scaly grey or brown canes like this one and keep lovely fresh green ones like this. So you can see I've cut those old stems as close to the ground as I can get, and now if there's anything skinnier than a pencil, that's got to come off as well, and also it comes right down to the ground. This is a dead stem, of course they've got to go whatever size they are. This one's a bit skinny too, so down she goes with a dead stem here. Now these are the ones you want to hang on to, the young green shoots. That'll give you the maximum growth and the best flowering. And lastly, because I've used a mechanical trimmer, we've got some ragged edges, I'm just going to tidy those up with a sharp pair of secateurs. Now, it looks shocking, but we've taken off more than 75% of the growth. This is the perfect time to get in and lay out your mulch, which is worth doing on an annual basis. And then you have to stop and smile, because you've given this rose bush the kiss of life. This spring, it's going to reward you with a magnificent show of flowers.